goodness, take a good look at this cassava farm. The cassava is not much, but I'm impressed with the way they spray the cassava farm. Look at it, lots work inside round. Look at the cassava farm. Nothing affects the cassava, but the grasses that are inside are well dried. Look at it, a very clean farm. When I talk about getting a professional person that will help you spray your farm, that has to do with something like this. I'm actually talking about something that will not affect you. I'm not really saying you can spray the farm for yourself, but if you really don't get the hang of it, you can actually get somebody that will help you spray it like this. This is beautiful. Nothing happens to the cassava, and the cassava is free. Take a good look at the farm. The farm is very clean with the way they spray it. Wow, I'm kind of loving this. Everything dried off. This is beautiful. Whoa. Now take a good look at another perfect way of spraying your cassava. You can see the cassava are not affected, but all the grasses died. Look at it. So I expect you to spray your cassava like this instead of, there are some people, if they spray your cassava, or if you yourself, you don't know how to spray, you spray the cassava once the chemical touches the stem. Because as the cassava leaves are now, they are not yet strong. As the stems are, they are not yet strong. So if the chemical eventually touches the cassava, both the stems and the roots, the leaf, everything will dry it off. And even at this moment, at this period, there's not enough rain for the cassava to do well. So the person that actually sprayed this farm sprayed it very, very well. Look at it. This is the reason why I usually advise my subscribers that they should find a professional that will help them spray their cassava farm. It is perfectly sprayed. I like this kind of work. The work is neat, everything is clean. Actually, it will take this farm up to 1 or 2 months before the grasses will start rising again. So if you get a very good quality chemical, you can spray your farm. Just calm down and spray the farm. Let it be sprayed very well. Then you have rest of mind, at least from weeding and weeding, doing manual work all the time. Look at this work. This is perfect and this is beautiful. The chemical actually work very, very well. So I like this. Just in case you want to spray your cassava, look for people that will spray it. Measure the right quantity of the chemical you are supposed to spray. Then spray very, very well. And avoid touching the stem with the chemicals. Don't forget you are in Addota Farm. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to share, and don't forget to drop a comment. This channel is all about farming, and your comments with your likes will help us to do more and to bring you more of these videos.